in the kitchen, beautiful people. Let's cook up something special. These are chicken thighs and legs, chopped small to make the perfect curry chicken. Seasoned with seasoned to the bone, curry powder, garlic granules, thyme, pimento seed, Scotch bonnet pepper, crushed garlic, onions, bell peppers, and bold spices like turmeric, paprika, ginger powder, and allspice, all working together to build deep, rich flavor in our curry chicken. Today, we're currying our chicken in the tagine. No added water, just letting the chicken release its own juices. We will drizzle about 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the tagine, ready to slowly cook our curry chicken and seal in those deep, rich flavors. We're adding our seasoned chicken pieces into the tagine. We're not burning any curry powder today. Our chicken is perfectly seasoned. We'll let it cook down gently for about 25 minutes, allowing all those rich flavors and natural juices to come together beautifully. Just wait till you see how rich this curry gravy gets. No burnt curry needed. Let's cover our chicken with the tagine lid. This traps all the steam and juices, letting the chicken cook in its own rich liquid. No added water needed here. Let's cut up some corn on the cob into small pieces. Slice 1 carrot and open a tin of rich, creamy coconut milk. It's about to get even better. Look at the richness in our curry chicken. That deep golden color is giving you all the curry vibes you need, and not a single bit of curry powder was burnt in the oil. Just pure flavor cooked down beautifully. And would you believe it, all that liquid without adding a drop of water. Just wait till you see how our gravy comes together. We're adding half a tin of creamy coconut milk to our curry chicken, giving it a smooth, velvety texture and a gentle sweetness that perfectly balances all the spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Jamaican seasoned to the bone to our curry chicken. Even though it's already marinated with this seasoning to the bone, this Jamaican powerhouse is packed with every spice you can imagine. Trust me, once you use it, you'll never want to cook without it again. Pure magic in every sprinkle. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Our corn and carrot have been waiting to be chopped, so let's get them sliced and diced and add into our curry chicken. Now, corn isn't usually part of curry chicken, but this is all about creativity and taking our flavors somewhere special. Beautiful people, if you're enjoying this curry chicken video, go ahead, like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell because I've got so many tasty, creative recipes coming up in the next few videos that you're going to love. Time to peel some potatoes. These will add a hearty, comforting touch to our chicken curry. Let's get them ready to soak up all those delicious flavors. Let's chop 3 spring onions, also known as scallions. We'll sprinkle them on at the end for that fresh crunch and a bright burst of color to finish our curry chicken perfectly. Here comes the chopped potatoes, corn and carrots, adding that arty goodness straight into our curry chicken. Let's get all those flavors coming together. We'll let this cook down for another 10 minutes, just enough to soften the potatoes and carrots while keeping that lovely crunch in the corn and carrots. The smell in our kitchen is pure goodness all around. It's the real flavor of home cooked food that makes you feel good. Alright, beautiful people, let's get our basmati rice washed. We want to rinse away all that extra starch until the water runs clear. Clean rice means fluffy, perfect grains every time. Beautiful people, how many times do you rinse your rice? I'm usually up to 3 or 4 times. Gotta get it nice and clean. Drop your number in the comments. Let's see who's the rice washing champ. Our basmati rice is already in the pot. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of low sodium salt to bring out the flavor, a few fresh sprigs of thyme for that herbal note, and 1 old Scotch bonnet pepper to give it a gentle kick. The other half of our creamy coconut milk goes in to keep it smooth and rich. Just a few chopped spring onions for a fresh touch and a nice knob of butter for that silky finish. We're not boiling our rice, we're letting it steam slowly so those grains come out fluffy and as perfect as I'd like them to be. We're just going to add a little knob of butter to our curry chicken. I almost forgot the butter. We're sprinkling on our spring onions, a fresh garnish to finish off the curry chicken. That's it, beautiful people. Our curry chicken is done. I think it's about time we check on our rice. Beautiful people, let's take out that old Scotch bonnet pepper before it bursts and turns up the heat too much in our rice. Here comes our naan bread. This naan is more than just bread, it's our serving base. We will make a light cut around the top to help it crisp up nicely and give our dish that extra edge. I've got my kitchen spray bottle here filled with water. We're giving our naan bread a quick spray to help it crisp up nicely and evenly in the oven. We're placing our naan bread onto a tray, then straight into the oven to crisp up for about 7 minutes. Stacking up our naan bread, because who needs a plate when naan and curry are made for each other? Adding our molded rice on the naan, looking good. Spoonfuls of that curry chicken going right on. Let's bring those flavors together. Adding in the corn, carrots and potatoes. Simple, delicious and full of goodness. Our rich chicken curry gravy drizzled around the edges of our naan bread and salad. Just enough for a beautiful presentation. The rest goes in a bowl, so when we're ready, we can dip our naan bread and keep that perfect crunch on the plated naan. This is how you finish a dish that's all about bold flavors and creativity, from my kitchen to yours. That's it, beautiful people. Naan bread and curry chicken with basmati rice and fresh salad. From my kitchen to yours, no plate needed, just pure deliciousness right in your kitchen. Beautiful people, thank you so much for being here with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the love. Let's always remember to put God first in everything that we do. Big love to all my new subscribers and my loyal supporters. Until next time, stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye. YouTube thinks you'll love the next two videos right here on your screen. Thanks for watching.